Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Things are very slowly starting to pick up now. The new tier reduction system the government have got in place, like 12th of April, dealerships will start opening again, which hopefully means I can get back to BMW and start filming. But today we're going to go out for a point of view video drive and try and do it properly this time, because I've only ever done a little bit before for a minute or so, and that was just out for a little drive one day. But today I've got the whole day, so I'm going to try and do a bit more on that, because I've got people asking me some questions about the turbo and things like that on Instagram, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put it down there. But yeah, we're going to head out to one of my favourite stretches of road in South Essex. Always fairly quiet. The only bad side about it is because it sort of goes to nowhere and there's a little village, it's a few old people driving around, so normally if you're going to get stuck it's either behind a tractor or a caravan, which ruins it. But yeah, we'll head out there, we'll set up the old GoPro on my forehead so I get some weird looks. Here we go out onto the stretch. Obviously it's pretty busy today, unfortunately, but while we're waiting for a nice clear spot out in here that sort of have a spirited drive, we're going to go through what we got. So we got the Revo RT330 turbo, should produce 330 brake and 330 newton meters, oh no sorry, foot-pounds of torque, coupled up with on the front we got Michelin Pilot Sport 4s and Summit 6-pot 330 millimeter discs. So we got the power to go and we got the power to stop as well, and the grip as well. It's a bit warmer than predicted, so there should be a little bit of temperature in the road, so it's not wet out, so should be fine. But yeah, we'll put it in, it's in normal driving conditions at the minute, and put it in sport mode, and that, like, I'm even proper sport mode, because a few ST drivers still don't know about this. Like, they just think if you press traction control button down there and it comes up sport mode, that's not real sport mode, it's semi sport mode, I guess. So if we turn it back off, just wait for this lorry to go past, and then right, we hold it for 5 seconds, it comes up there, hold to deactivate. There we go. Now you're in proper sports mode. So. Like the road's clearing up, coming out the back end of this small or large village. There you go, mate, nice beamer indicator as per usual. So yeah, can't remember the last time I filmed my actual ST, but there's a few videos, obviously I do this one. I've got it booked in finally on a dyno on the 19th, GAD tuning, which is local to here, so hopefully that'll be another little good video. It's gone back to national speed limit, roads are cleared up. Oh, this car never fails to like put a smile on my face. The turbo is honestly insane. So we got just over a quarter of a tank, and I guarantee that'll be near red when we get back. Still an economical car when you want it to be though, so people asking me about the turbo, they go, what's it like on fuel and that? One, if you want to go big turbo, you shouldn't really be worrying about economy. secondly, for the size of the turbo, and considering it's running nearly twice the brake horsepower it come out of the factory, it's still actually really good. But yeah, on long motorway runs and stuff, it's all right. Not too bad at all. But yeah, hopefully we get it into GAD tuning on the 19th on a Friday if I don't get called back to work, and then we shall see if it's actually running 330 or not, because it's the first time I've actually ever been on the dyno. There's one thing about this turbo, and I've seen it on other couple of cars, and a few people worried about it when it come out. It's like a squeal it does. I'll see if I can see if you can hear it. If I do a pull, it goes ee. Does it for a split second down the front, and originally when I got it installed I thought, oh, that's not good, it sounds like a bearing. It always feels so slow when you get to 30 miles an hour. Feels like you're not moving. What was I saying? Yeah, so the squeaking noise from the bearing. I looked at other cars, other STs with the RT330 turbo on dynos and things like that, and they all make the same noise. No one's exactly sure what it is, but it's nothing mechanical as such. It's from what I can gather and what I've been told, whether it's true or not I don't know, it's like an induction noise, the compression of the air, or in the intercooler, or either like a surging on the turbo, but not like a bad surge. I don't know whether that makes sense or not. I think it's just the compression of the air. I don't know. I literally don't know, but it's just things I've been told. But it's been running like it for 2 years and it's been fine, and everyone else has been running them for a long period of time, they've been fine as well, so don't think we need to worry about it. Alright, here we go again, down to third. Rev match into third. So glad these brakes work. Big old pop out the back. There's a cyclist just around here. That's two cyclists. That's a new one. Normally it's caravans and tractors around here, but now cyclists as well. Bath going really slow for some. Right, I'm hoping this bit round here is clear because this is my favourite bit. Make sure no one's pulling out here. No, it's clear. Into third. my favourite bits and roadworks. Lovely stuff. Right, I think we'll call it there. Well, the aggressive point of view driving anyway. So if you want to see more stuff like this, like I said, I've got a few things planned coming up videos wise. I think content is slowly starting to come back in again, which I'm looking forward to, as I'm bored of not doing anything. But yeah, if you're interested in what I get up to in the meantime, follow me on Instagram below, or yeah, comment down below if you want to see anything in particular about this car, the turbo, anything you want to know, let us know, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one very soon.